Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. Yes, I make videos every day, and if you have not seen my video for today, you can go to my channel and check my videos. I've done a lot of videos today. I've reviewed a lot of token. I've reviewed Ethereum scam, Ether scam token. Currently we are 3,490 subscribers. Please kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button so that we can hit 4,000 before the end of this week and 5,000 before the end of this month. That being said, I'm gonna review a token that is doing massive numbers on CoinMarketCap. I just did a review on Geno Pets. I'm gonna be reviewing CashBackPro CBP, and this is the first time I'm reviewing this token, so I'm just gonna use the information I get like I always do, guys. I'm gonna use the information I get from CoinMarketCap, the official website, my different tokens scans, BSC scan and Ether scan, depending on whatever it is, to know what this token is about. Please, I want you guys to know that my conclusion, my findings is not financial advice. It's based on this my video is based on educational purpose, so make sure you do your own research before you invest your money in any cryptocurrency, because first and foremost I can see some red flags in this crypto. Now this crypto market cap is $416.6 million, and it is trading on $75,000. It doesn't make any sense to me, and this is showing like 66,148% rise, and this is just $75,000 in 24 hours. This is very this is a huge manipulation or a huge scam or a huge glitch. I cannot explain which of them. Look at this. You're going to see something as at 11:34 today. This token was $113. That's the trading volume was $113. It was worth 0.1448, and from 11:34 now 11:34 to 11:40, I think 11:44 around there, this token became trading volume was 59,000. It reached 5,986 dollars, and the price is worth $3.8. This is a huge manipulation. This is a red flag, if you understand what I'm talking about. However, I'm going to review this token. This token is on the Tron network. The last token I reviewed also has similar problem. It was on the Solano network. I don't know if this is coming from CoinMarketCap or it's coming from the token itself, but this is built on the Tron network, and there's an official website, cashbackpro.net. I'm going to open this link in a new tab. I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to go to Tron Scan. I want to go to Tron Scan to gather the information I need on this token. Yeah, Tron scanner, right? So let's look at the official website of this token. I'm gonna allow this load. My network is a little bit down, I don't know why. Okay, good, it has opened. CashbackPro, join our great cashback community, create an account, login. Honestly, this website look very basic, very basic. Maybe it has not finished loading, but this website looks kind of basic, and there's literally nothing. Yeah, maybe this is more. This is the website. There's nothing in this website. This is just a basic website. It looks more like a landing page, actually, not even a website, a landing page. But let me see what this project is about, because this doesn't look like, this looks like more of a company or something. It says CBP is the cryptocurrency applied in CashbackPro. The solution aims to help businesses to sell goods in the fastest, best, safest and most convenient way. It also aims to help businesses to access and retain potential customers by converting walk-in customers into loyal customers through the CBP reward mechanism. Business organizations and online shops can post the products and services on the website. CashbackPro project is sponsored and developed by BBA Global. So basically that is what this is about. This is more like a company that helps other smaller companies and promotes online businesses. That is what they do. They help you increase your customer base, make more money. Excuse me, guys. they help you increase your customer base, make more money and stuff like that. That is what I can get from this particular token, right? So moving forward, I'm going to see if I can check this token on Tron Scan. Right, I'm going to copy the contract address and check this on Tron Scan. I don't think the project is not a scam, but these particular numbers we are seeing, I think there's a manipulation, a huge manipulation somewhere. Yeah, that's why I feel my honest opinion about it. Guys, you can tell me what you think about it. I'm going to paste this contract address on Tron Scan and give you guys my candid opinion about this. My network is very down. I wish my network can be faster than this so that I can quickly finish this video and do the last video for today, because I'm feeling tired. I want to sleep, right? Okay guys, okay, it has opened. Now let's paste this, paste, enter, and let me see. Now from what we can see here, let's see. Let me sign this token, the contract address. I've pasted the contract address. So site not found. Let's check again. Alright, it has come at CashBackPro, balance 2 trons, transaction 2,175 transactions. Let's see. The creator is the creator address. The creation time 2021 second 25. This was created in February, right? From what I can see here, let's check the transaction, the number of people buying this token. 2 hours ago, 2 hours 53 minutes ago. Now for people to, the last time people bought this token is like 2 hours 53 minutes. It shows that people are not investing in this token. I will not advise you to invest in this. Personally, I will not advise you to invest in this. That is what I will tell you. Avoid this token, and try as much as possible to avoid the other tokens you can invest in. This token doesn't look like a token that is active, like with the old number it is doing on CoinMarketCap, and the last time people invested in this was like 2 hours 3 minutes ago. Is not a good sign. There are so many red flags here. The chart doesn't look LD. There's huge manipulation around there. How can the token have $416 million market cap and is trading on 76,000 volume? Like, avoid this token by all means. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. I apologize for the network, it is beyond my control, and the little phone call that interrupted the video, but this is me doing my stuff real time. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content.